Welcome back to my channel everyone. So today we are going to unbox this Sound One detachable Bluetooth earphones. As you see, it's being detached over here. So it sounds really interesting and also an innovative concept. So I'm Sampath, I'm watching Sam World. So what's the wait for? Let's start. Yeah. So here we go. Here we have the Soundwind Bluetooth earphones, detachable Bluetooth earphones, DC 111, HD definition sound, Bluetooth 5.0 and aux input. So it means we are getting two earphones in one, and it says all those basic stuff that we get: music time, talk time, and other size. Driver size is 10 millimeters, which means you're not going to get that great bass. So let's open the box and let's see what's inside. And this is how it is. The cover is open. Now let's open the box. This is how it gets opened over here, and inside we have the Sound One pouch. It's a case of Sound One that we get. Sound One, as you see. Now let's keep it aside and let's see the user manual stuff. Inside we have is the user manual, and this is how it is. So yeah, and now let's move on to the main unit itself. That is the earphones, the pouch. So when we open the pouch over here, as you see, we get to see two modules, that is a wireless and wired. This is the wired module that you're seeing right now. And now let's add, it also has a 3.5 headphone jack, and inside we have is the wireless module, which is Bluetooth. So now let's keep it all aside. On the top we have is the charging cable. Charging cable is micro USB, as you see over there. Types would have been better, but you cannot expect that much in this price. And then on here we have is the ear tips, extra ear tips. They have given 4 extra ear tips for us instead of the 2 which are already applied on the earphones. That's how it is. That's all the basic stuff that we get in any earphones itself. Now let's keep them all aside. Let's come back to the main earphones itself. So this is the first thing. Here is the wireless module that I have seen. So as you see, this is the wireless module, and on top we have is the earphones. The cable length is pretty large. I feel it's okayish kind of quality that we get, decent quality I should say. And these are both the magnetic earphones. That's how it gets connected, and these are also easily removable. As you see, we can remove them and also connect them again. That's how it is. And also we have here is the buttons, physical buttons for volume up and down and pause button. And also we have on the other side is the battery of this Bluetooth earphones that can last us to around 6 to 8 hours. That would be pretty good. And we also have a cable adjuster for adjusting how much of length we want on the cable. And now here we come to the wired module that we see. So wired module, the cable is long. It's actually long. Yeah, I feel it's long enough. And also it has got that DC connectors again. As you see, we have to just remove it. We can just as you see on the mark, we have to see here whether it's right or left, because it is really tiny over there. As you see, right for right here, I have to zoom it this much in order to show you where is that R over there. And here is the L of the earphone. Just remove it from the DC connector of that one, and we can just put it to this one like this, and yes, it gets connected. So this is how it is. Then you can get to enjoy your sound, then you can enjoy your music, and just connected this to your phone jack and get started. Now let's see the other thing, the pouch itself. So the pouch here is that the quality of the pouch is also pretty good. I feel it can last you for a longer time. Just keep it in your pocket. It can easily fit in your pocket as well. And anyways, now moving on to the user manual. I think I've missed on something. We also have the microphone also, and I have to show you that charging jack where you have to keep that. And just on the wireless module, just below the physical buttons, you get to see that charging pin over there. You got to connect it and you can charge your device. So that's with the unboxing. I hope you liked it. So that's with the unboxing of these Soundwind Bluetooth earphones. And these Soundwind Bluetooth earphones, as you see, are magnetic. Talking about the quality of these earphones, is actually a plastic build here. This one is a plastic build. You cannot expect much at this price range. And also the DC connectors are also good. They actually connect and reconnect always pretty good. And also now talking about this wire quality, it's actually aluminum coated cable, so it will last you for a pretty much while. It's a durable cable, but seeing the quality of the cable looks decent, but it's actually a durable cable. And talking about the way it can fit in our ears, so this will fit pretty much good in our ears, and how much ever you shake your head, it's not going to fall, because these actually fit perfectly in the ear, as you see, because these have a bend over here, so these bend can cause it easily to fit in the ear without any problem. Now talking about the audio quality. So audio quality, I felt that the vocals were clear and the bass is normal. You don't get some great or skull crushing bass that you want. But yes, talking about on the vocals and all, the sound is really pretty much good. You'll enjoy your music or watching videos. So on that note, if at all you're a casual listener, then these earphones are a good choice. Now talking about the pricing and the justice for that. It's actually priced at 1690 rupees at Flipkart, and I think for the price it's coming and the innovation that it has brought, I think it really does it justice for that price. Because no company has ever done this one, a detachable Bluetooth earphones, no company has ever done that. So absolutely thumbs up for SoundOne for bringing this type of product. Hopefully in the future we might get some other companies that can do this as well. So anyways, I'll post a full review of this earphones after using it for a while. So this is me Sampath taking a leave for now. We'll meet like this in another video. So till then, take care, bye bye, and see you guys in my next one.